today we went to the National Portrait Gallery, which is not very far from the school, and I told them we're going to create our own audio tour. So I gave them a list of people who feature in the portrait gallery and told them to choose one that they found the most interesting or wanted to research a bit about. So once they'd chosen their person, I told them to do some research and to write essentially a script for their audio recording, which they would then record at home. So yesterday we spent time preparing it. I helped them to write it, helped them with their research, etc. And then at home they recorded it and we put it onto this platform online that everyone can access. And then we went around the National Portrait Gallery looking for the portraits that each student had written and spoken about, and they would listen about that portrait. With the school being based in London, I thought it was a really good opportunity to take the students out into the real world, into the centre of London. And not only that, but it's good for them to record themselves speaking English. They have to focus more on pronunciation and make sure they understand what they're saying so that when they're reading it, it's in a more natural way. And so that when the other students are listening as well, they can clearly understand. Before I got them to do the audio at home, before I got them to record, I got them to listen to Obama's 2008 acceptance speech.
It's the answer told by lines that stretched around schools and churches in numbers this nation has never seen. By people who waited 3 hours and 4 hours.
They had to note how well he gave a speech, when did he pause, what words did he stress, what kind of intonation he was using, if it was rising or not. And I could really tell that they were focusing on pausing and speaking really clearly and being quite enthusiastic with what they were saying. And that really came across when I was listening to their recordings, and everyone else was commenting on that as well. And they clearly had done some really good research and produced some really good language as well, which was great.